try this. Hopefully it's not too blurry. Okay. So this is that whole section of 10 to 17. So up in the directions, it told us that this angle, or sorry, this arc right here is 85 degrees. And then BE from here to here is 97 degrees. Okay. So, I mean, you could go over here first and go with, okay, what is ABC? Well, what we know about ABC is the vertex is on the circle. And so we know that it's half of its intercepted arc. So it starts here and goes all the way around to here. Whoops, sorry. So let me do that again. It starts here, goes all the way around to here. This is a diameter. So that means that this is a semicircle. This is 180 degrees right here, okay? So this angle where the vertex is on is half the arc. So that makes this a 90-degree angle, if that makes sense. So this first one should be 90 degrees, okay? Then I'm going to go to CED. So CED. Oops, it looks like I didn't connect mine. Sorry about that. Okay, so again, where's the vertex? It's on the circle. So it's half of its intercepted arc. So it's 85 basically divided by 2. 85 divided by 2 is going to be 42.5 degrees for number 11. Okay, number 12, BDE. BDE. So if you go here, again, this vertex right here is on the circle. So the rule is the angle is half the intercepted arc. So if you follow out, it goes from E, and if you follow out the other chord, it goes from E to B. We know that is 97 degrees. So you're just going to do 97 divided by 2 for this one, which is going to give you 48.5 degrees. Okay, that's BDE. CBD, okay, so that's this guy up here. So CBD, and this is on the circle, okay? And we also notice that it is intersecting this 85-degree angle. So this answer is the same as the one above it, because they actually intercept the same arc. If we go to ABD, so angle ABD, so that is from here to here. So we need to figure this measure out, okay? So what we know is that this is, sometimes I like to fill this in, this is 42.5, okay? And that's because we figured that out earlier. Or we just figured that out. Sorry, CBD is 42.5. So because this is 90 degrees, when they ask for ABD, it's just 90 minus 42.5. Okay, so I think that's going to equal 47.5. Sorry, that's a little messy. So then sometimes when I find these little guys, I'll try to write them in there on my picture too, because it maybe helps with something later. And so then my last angle to find is angle BCE. So again, vertex is on the circle. You're going to do half of the intercepted arc. BCE. Oops. So it looks like half of 97. Is that right? So what is that, 48.5 again? So this one looks like 48.5. All right, and then the last two are arcs. So we might have to think, work a little opposite here. So they want us to find this arc all the way from A to D. So if I look here at this 47.5 angle, I see that it's intersecting at A and D. So if I just double 47.5 times 2, that's going to give me my 95 degrees here. And then for my last one, A, B, C, sorry, that goes around the other way. So again, well, actually on this one, so this is, if you look at this where it's intersecting here all the way around to there, it's a semicircle. So this last one should be 180 degrees. So hopefully that'll help at the top. Maybe watch it a couple times if you need to. All right, and let's move down to these. So we got two different things going on here. We've got an inscribed quadrilateral. So don't forget about inscribed quadrilaterals. Sorry, we know that instead of opposite angles being congruent like they were in parallelograms, they are sup. And so in this picture for 25, I forgot to fill these in. So this is W, Z, Y, and X, okay? So, and then the other thing we got going on is a bunch of angles with vertexes on the circle, okay? So it doesn't really matter where you want to start, okay? I would maybe let's start right here where X is. So if I follow this out, this vertex is on the circle. So I know that angle X is 1/2 of my arc. Well, my arc that goes from here all the way around to here would be 81 plus 52. So angle X ends up being 1/2 of, what is that? 133. Let's see. Oh, wait, what did I do? Sorry, this is 51. I'm sorry. I was like, I thought that was even. So that's 132. My bad. So 1/2 of 132 is going to make angle X 66 degrees. Now, if angle X is 66, I could actually find Z here pretty quickly, because what do I know about X and Z? They have to be X plus Z, or they are supplementary. So we have 66 plus 70, plus Z, sorry, is 180. So you're just going to subtract 66 from both sides. And in a lot of these pictures, there's more than one way to get this answer. And I'm getting 114 here for Z. Okay, so there's Z. We found X first. So now we need to go back and do, W and Y. So since I have information on W up here, okay, if you trace these out, it hits from here, this point, around to this point. So that's telling me that angle W, is going to be 1/2 of 51 plus 79. So that's 1/2 of 130. So W is going to end up being 65 degrees. Again, W and Y are opposite each other, so we know they're sup because this is a inscribed quadrilateral. And I know W is 65. And so when you subtract 65 from both sides, you should get 115 for Y. Hopefully that helps on that one. And then I don't know if, I'm trying to think if you might want to try this one now. You want to try 26, and then if you can't get it, because it's pretty similar to this one, but if not, let me know and I'll send you another video. Thanks. Bye.